We're here with men's basketball head coach Mike Bargan. Let's talk about tonight's 94-69 victory over French JV.
Well, I thought we did some good things offensively. Without pressing tonight, we still got into the 90s. We shot the ball well from the free throw line, which is a good change for us. We also shot the ball well from the three-point line, which hopefully that can continue and be a strength of ours as the season moves on. But a lot of those games against JV teams are an attempt to let everybody get some minutes and see what they do with them, get some confidence going into some big games this week, and I think hopefully we got those things done.
Looking forward to Wednesday's rematch versus Independence. What are your thoughts?
Well, I think first of all, going down to Independence is a really difficult place to play. We haven't had much success there in the recent future. I think we've won one out of the last 3 times. They're going to be prepared. I'm sure they've made some improvements since the last time we saw them, and obviously they're going to be a little bit more comfortable in their home gym. We've got to do a better job of containing their penetration and not stepping up the floor to help and give up layups. We also have to do a good job of in our press of trying to speed them up a little bit, get them to take some quick shots and still protect the basket. It should be an exciting game. I think our kids are excited for an opportunity to play them again, and it'll be our first time that we're going to play somebody twice in the young season.
All right, thanks, Coach.